Good morning, grade threes. It's a wonderful Friday morning. I just had some technical glitches, but I trust everything will be well for today. It's the 24th of July. I want to say thank you so much. I got so many homeworks. Although for today, I won't be able to share with you all the homeworks that I got, but I want to say I was inundated with homeworks, and I want to say thank you to all of you. Okay, let's see who's in class today. Okay, Blessing, we welcome you. Chevelle, Hudi, Kabo Entle, Kamu, Kabani, Musa, Matlotlo, Ndemba, Pilisiwe, Ryan, Silo. Okay, and all the others that will join us today, we welcome them in advance. Okay, thank you so much. Let's start with today's lesson. Okay, let's do our quick gymnastics, number gymnastics. Let's count together. We're counting backwards from 199 to 109. Okay, sorry, Tuba. It's not Pilisiwe, but it's Tuba. Thank you very much. Okay, thanks a lot. Okay, here we go. Ready, go. 199, 189, 179, 169, 159, 149, 139, 129, 190, 109. Thank you, well done. I want us to do a quick mental maths, and then I'm going to ask that you give me your answers. Okay, do it first on your own individually, and then we will give our answers. Okay, let's see who I will ask for the first one. Musa, can you tell us what's the answer for the first one?
50 minus 2 make
50 minus?
10.
10, well done. Good, thank you so much, Musa. Okay, let's see, Blessing.
Hello, ma'am.
How are you, Blessing?
And how are you?
I'm well. Can you tell us what's the answer for this one, Blessing?
It's 60 minus 50.
Oh, 60 minus 50. Well done. That's correct. Okay, let's see who will do the next one for us. Let's see. I see. I'm looking for those whose hands are raised. Okay, Ndemba. Good morning, Ndemba.
Morning, ma'am.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
I'm also good. Can you tell us what is the answer for number 3?
80.
80. 90 minus 80. It is equals to 10. Thank you, Ndemba. Well done. Okay. And then let's see who can do the next one for us. Tuba.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you, Tuba?
Oh, yeah, I'm fine.
I'm good. Can you give us the answer for this one, please?
Okay. 10
Yes.
plus 0
Plus what?
plus 0
Equals to?
equals to 10.
Thank you. Good. 10 plus 0 is equals to 10. Thank you, Tuba. Okay, that's correct. And then the last one. Let's see who'll do the last one for us. There we go. Let's see. Matlotlo. Okay, Matlotlo, can you tell us what is for the last one? Matlotlo, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell us what's the answer for the last one? Are you still thinking about it?
19 minus 11 is equals to 8.
19 minus 11 is equals to 8. Good. Thank you very much. Well done. Well done. Okay. Okay, now we go to our homework. All right. The first person that submitted was Ryan. Okay. But I did see lots of you did submit, but it was later on, when everything was prepared. Although it is not that clear, Ryan, but thank you so much for your submission. Okay. Well done. Okay. So this is part of the homework that we had for yesterday. So I'm asking that as we are marking this homework, that you please also mark yourself. I know that you have written, so mark yourself as we are marking there. Okay. 120 plus 20. Remember the first, it's the number line that you must do, and then after the number line, you give yourself a tick. It says from 100 to 200. There you go. 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, and 200. Then you give yourself a tick there. And then we know that that is our starting point, 120. Okay, there is our starting point, and then it says plus 20. It's very easy to work in tens, so we will add our 20 using tens. So that is the first 10, 130, the second 10 there, 140. So that is our answer there. Okay, I see some hands up there. Okay. All right. Okay. So did anyone get a big tick there? Can I see if there's anyone who didn't get 140? Yes, Pilisiwe Mapula, that's correct. It's 140. But there's just something about the number line, It's so visual. So you already see the answer there in front of you. Okay, it's not just in your head. Okay, so let's see the next one. Okay, the next one says 205 plus 35. First of all, we do our number line. Our number line from 200 to 300, there we have it. 200, 210, 220, 230, 240, 250, 260, 270, 280, 290, and 300. Good. So there, 205. We look at our starting point. Remember, a half of 10. What is half of 10? Anyone who knows what is half of 10, Chevelle? Blessing, I see 5. Aurora, I see 5. Good. I just wanted your attention there, Chevelle. Good. Yes. It's 5. So 205, there is our 200. And then there between 200 and 210, it's half of 10, which is 5, and it is 205. So how much are we adding? We are adding 35. So now that is 5. That's also another 5, and that's another 5. So that is our 10 there. So that is our first 10, 20, 30, and 35. And when we look at it, it is at 240. So even if we want to add using our hundreds, our tens, and our units, we have our 2 there plus 0, because there's no hundreds. It's 2, there is our 2. And then we've got 0 there plus one big mistake I've done. Sorry, grade 3s. We always start on the right-hand side. Thank you. 5 plus 5 is 10. Okay, we put our 0 there and then we carry the 10. Okay, it's 1, which represents 10. So 1 plus 3 is 4. There is our 4 there. And 2 plus no hundreds there, it's 2. Like 2 plus 0, it's 2. So our answer there, it's 240. And there we go, we have it there. 205 plus the first 10 at, let me do this. Can I ask somebody to count in tens for me from 205? Let's see who can count for me in tens up to 240. Okay, let's see who can do it for me. Matlotlo, I see your hand. Okay, Matlotlo, let's see, where are you?
Ma'am, where do I start?
Yeah, you start here by 205. I want you to count in fives from 205. So there we are, 205, but you will be counting in tens. So after 205, what will be your next number?
210.
210. Good. And then the next one.
220.
Let's go back. Just a minute. We are starting at 205. And
okay, 205.
yes, that's where we are starting, but we are counting in tens. In tens. So it's going to be 205 plus 10. It gives you what?
205
Plus 10.
210. Oh, plus 10.
Yes, plus 10. It gives you what?
220.
Okay.
220.
All right. Look at our number line. There is our number line. Okay. And then now we are counting. So that is, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's where our 10 is. So let's go back. It's 205. Use your fingers. I think that's the best. Just use your fingers. 205 plus 10.
Ma'am,
Count for me.
must I
Yes.
count in 5 or 10?
In tens. We are counting in tens.
205, 220, 230, 240, 206, 206,
Okay. Thank you
207.
so much. I'm going to count with you, ne? Okay. Do you have your hands up? I want you to lift up your 10 fingers. Are they up?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So we are starting from 205. So we are counting 206, 207, 208, 209, 210, 211. You're not counting.
210,
212, 213,
220,
214, 215. Good. So when we count in tens from 205, our next number there is 215. Thank you so much, Matoto. Okay, bye for now. So you see that our counters help us. Okay. Thank you, Matoto. Goodbye for now. Okay, so we are counting again in tens. This time we are starting in 215. Let's see who can do it for us. You can raise your hand. I see Blessing there. Okay, Blessing, we are counting in tens. Are you there? Are you there, Blessing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we are counting in tens from 215. What is the next number?
It's 225.
225. Good, well done. And then the next number?
235.
235.
35.
Good. All right. And then the last one, plus 5. We add 5 plus 5. 235 plus 5.
240.
Good, 240. Well done. Thank you. So, thank you, Blessing.
Welcome, ma'am.
Okay, so we go back to our number line. The 35 there, it's 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5. So we were counting in tens from 205. So it's 205 plus 10, it's 250 plus another 10, it's 225 plus another 10, it's 235. And then the last one is plus 5, it is 240. That is our answer there. So tick yourself correct there, okay? Let's quickly go to the next one. Okay, here is the next one. The next one says 160 minus 30. Remember, the first number is our starting point. There is our starting point, 160. How much are we taking away? We are taking away 30. So we say we'll take it in tens so that it's easier for us. So there's 160 minus 10. That's the first 10. it's 150 minus 10, it's 160 minus 10, it's 150. There we are. And then we minus another 10, it's 140. And we minus another 10, it's 130. That's our answer there. Okay. All right, I see there are some people that needs to go to the waiting room. Ne? Chevelle? And your friend? Okay, so let's focus on the lesson, boys and girls. Okay, so the next one, 275 minus 265. I want you to first tell me how much is 275 minus 65. Who can give me the answer? 275 minus 65. Okay, you can either raise your hands or you can type up. I see it's only Blessing's hand that's up. You can type up there. What is 275 minus 65? Yes, 275 minus 65. Okay, Blessing, you can tell us.
Ma'am, it's 210.
210. Okay, let's go and check the answer there by our number line. Thank you. Okay, we go to the number line there. There we go. We start there by 275. There's 275. And we are taking away 65. There is our first 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and 5. It will be 65. And our answer there is 210. So tick for yourself there, and you give yourself a big tick there. Okay, well done. So we are going to be talking about multiplication, okay? And multiplication is like repeated addition. So here we've got 2 times 1, or 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. And there, when you interpret it there, you can say 1, 2. You know, if you've got 1, 2, or 2 that is appearing once, it is 2. There's your answer there. So if you've got 2 appearing twice, what is it? It is 4. And let's see the repeated addition. It is 2, which is appearing twice. It's 2 plus 2, which is 4. And we've got there 2, which is appearing 3 times. Let's see it here by our repeated addition. It's 2 plus 2 plus 2, which gives us 6. Then we have 2 multiplied by 4, which can be 2 4 times. There we have it, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, which is 8. And the last one there, we've got 2 appearing 5 times, or 2 multiplied by 5, which gives us 10. And when you go to the repeated addition there, it's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So you can see that multiplication goes together with repeated addition. And once you master that, you will not have a problem. I want us to go to the following slide. Okay, so here we have, let's count there. We've got groups of circles there. And when you look at it, it is the same number. We've got 5, another 5, another 5, and another 5 there. Okay, let's see who can count in 5s for us. We can use these, the counters that we have here again. I see somebody who has not spoken to us today. Khudi, do you want to try? Hi, Khudi. Hello, Khudi. He doesn't want to unmute. Okay, let's see who else. Sorry, Khudi, about that. Kabani. Okay, we can take it then to the chat box. Okay, I see Musa's hand is up. Hi, Musa. How are you? I'm
Thanks.
good.
How are you?
I'm well. I want you to count in 5s for me. We can use these counters which are here. Okay, let's start. 5,
5, 10, 15, 20.
Good, excellent. Thank you so much, Musa. All right, bye for now. Okay. So there we go, 5, 10, 15, and 20. And remember we talked about the repeated addition. So that is our first 5, there it is. Our second 5, there it is. Our third 5, there it is. And our fourth 5, there it is. And then it gives us 20. So we can now multiply. We can say how many in terms of our, if we look at our rows, how many numbers or how many circles do we have in a row? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 circles. There we go. And then how many rows do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So another way of representing that repeated addition, we say 5 multiplied by 4. It is 5 appearing 4 times, and our answer is 20. So we call it a multiplication number sentence. Okay, so now if we want to share, okay, you've got this 20 marbles and you want to share it among 5 people. Okay, there are our 5 people. And if you want to share these marbles equally, let's see how much is each going to get. Okay, it's 5 people, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So then if we say 20 divided by 5, it gives us 4. Then it means each person will get 1, 2, 3, 4. And we call that a division number sentence. Okay. Do you all have your pens with you? I want to dictate something to you. Are you ready? Okay, Hudi, I see. Yes, you are ready. Blessing. Right, Chevelle, you're ready. Just listen attentively. My grandmother planted 5 fruit trees in a row. My grandmother planted 5 fruit trees in a row. Okay. She planted 6 rows. She planted 6 rows. So can you tell me how many trees did she plant altogether? Okay, I see Ari there. I see Musa. I see Blessing. Well done. Okay. And I also see some hands are raised. Then it means it's correct. Then it will be 30. It will be 30 trees. But what is important is that I want us to capture that as well. We are told that it was 5 fruit trees in a row. So it means here we'll also have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But how many rows here? They said she planted 6 rows. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so if we count them, it's going to be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, the next one, and 30, the next one. So your answer is correct. Okay. So I want you, for this weekend, I want you to practice the multiplication, okay, of 5 up to, let's say, up to 200, okay? I want you to practice the multiplication up to 200, okay? I want you to write down the following for me. This will be part of homework. Can you write the following for me? 10 divided by, this is our sign, 10 divided by 5. That's the first one. The second one, 20 divided by 5. The third one, 5 divided by 5. The fourth one, 15 divided by 5. The fifth one, 25 divided by 5. And then comes the last one, multiplication. Ten multiplied by 3. The second one, 20 multiplied by 3. The third one, 5 multiplied by 3. The fourth one, 15 multiplied by 3. The last one, 25 multiplied by 3. You will see all the numbers are the same. So for division, we divide by 5. And then for multiplication, we multiply with 3. Did you all get the answers? Okay. Wow, I see some of you have already finished. Okay, that is great. Okay, so I want you to write it up for me so that we can also include it in your portfolio. Okay. So remember, we will be writing our assessment on the 30th. So you can practice everything that we have done so far. And then we will continue again on Monday. So if you want to request the homework, you can send a request to this email address, and then I will gladly send it to you. Are there any questions, grade 3s? Okay, well, if there are no questions, I will say goodbye and have a lovely weekend. I see you all on Monday. Bye.